How be more productive at home, Lifestyle Edition. Welcome back to Renegade Financial. Please like and subscribe. Today we are going to talk about an often overlooked aspect of productivity: health and fitness. Your health and fitness are crucial if you are going to be as productive as possible working from home. Many people allow their health to deteriorate when they work from home, as they have no requirement to walk or travel. Likewise, a lack of social interaction and sunlight can cause health issues. Making sure to stay on top of this can ensure that you have the energy, enthusiasm, and good health to continue doing your best work. Exercise. Exercise is extremely important for those that work from home. This can help counter the damage of sitting in front of a desk all day. Doing some form of steady-state cardio, such as running, cycling, or walking, will help you to strengthen your heart, which can in turn counter the side effects of sitting all day. Protect your sleep. One thing that is very important when working online is to make sure you get enough sleep. Not being able to disconnect from your work can affect your ability to sleep. Getting enough sleep is crucial if you want to start the next day feeling energized and enthusiastic. Some things you can do to help you sleep better include making sure your room is as dark and quiet as possible, as well as cool. Get AM sunlight. This will drastically improve your sleep by setting your circadian clock in your brain. Make sure that you avoid light-emitting devices, like phones, for at least an hour before bed. Bright lights stimulate the release of cortisol and reduce the sleep hormone melatonin, making it much harder for us to get high-quality sleep. Thanks for watching. We know these simple tips will help you be more productive and help you make more money in less time.